He gonna help me work in the workshop today. Ain't you, Bixby? Ain't you gonna do that? Yeah. It's kind of crazy in here, but I have a line there and a line there that are going to be outlets on two separate circuits. But first I need to clear a path so I can get some outlet boxes all the way across there and onto the workbench. The workbench has already got one down there. I don't think I'm going to utilize that. I'm going to put them up. I don't know. Well, I'll worry when I get there. I bought some outlet boxes. I just haven't, in this completely organized chaos, been able to locate them. So I'm hoping I can put my hands on them pretty quick and at least get outlets to there. So I'm hoping to do 3 outlets along this wall, and then a couple more on the peg, and at least one on that pegboard. I don't know that I'm going to put any behind my wood storage because that's kind of silly. I can't really get to it. So I'm hoping for 5 or 6 outlets. I may put one on this wall. I don't see myself doing that because I'm going to be I have a shelving unit here. I'm going to be putting an additional shelving unit next to it. So I don't see the need for outlets on that wall. But we'll see. Wish me luck. Okay, I got this corner relatively cleaned out. So I'm going to back this wire up a little bit and put a box right here on this first 2x4. And then start working my way that way. I still have to deal with all of that right there, but right now I can put one right there and continue on. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, first one's in. I need to get my little retainer clips and nail those in. And I probably went a little overzealous marking which circuit number it was, or circuit letter it was. It's letter B. Now I need to clean this mess off. What I think I'm going to do is just shift, because I have this pretty much cleaned off. So I'm going to shift all that down here so I can get the next one in. And we'll see how it goes. I realize that I'm going to need 2 more circuits in here because I want a standalone circuit near the door or even on the outside of the building for my welder. And at some point I'm going to put an air conditioner in here. So I'll probably need a standalone circuit up there somewhere just for the air conditioner. And that's about it. Circuit letter B. Okay, I made a quick change of plans. Instead of just carrying on this way, I went ahead and doubled back the B, and I put one down there because eventually this little dorm fridge right here is going to go in that corner, and I want to be able to plug it in. So I got a B and a B. The next one the next one's going to be an A right around in this area. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, I got my first A outlet is about to go in right there. I got it right here. And I have B already headed over there. I think I'm going to put a double gang right there. One that has A and one that has B. And although I'd like to embed it inside the pegboard, I don't want to have to clear all that off. So I'm going to put a double right there below that level. And then I'm going to put a couple across the bottom front of this, A and B. And I'm going to call that good for today. I do have to figure out where I'm going to cut a hole in this sucker for a air conditioner. And I will come back at a later date and run an AC plug. I'll probably make that a different video where I actually cut the hole for the AC. Because I'm not going to put the window in here. I really don't want people peeking in here. So I'm just going to cut one that fits the air conditioner and put it in and put its own outlet for that. So get this one wired. I know I probably showed you all this like a gazillion times on my videos, but I try to remember to wrap the terminals after I've connected the wiring. I try to remember to wrap them every single time so there's no possibility of anything falling in there, debris or sawdust or whatever, and getting sparks. So I don't know, it's just a safety thing, you know, with me. So I'm gonna wrap this one up. Okay, I'm gonna put in a double gang now, and then I'll do the workbench. Okay, the 4-way is wired, but I don't have a cover, and that works on B and A, and then I have a B here that's working, and I have an A here, and that's working. So all my plugs work. I had to break that corner off to get it to fit in there, but hey, that's fine. So I am exhaustulated because these allergies are kicking my butt. So I'm going to call it a day and get back in here in maybe a week and run my outlet for the air conditioner and one for the welder. But folks, the workshop is wired.